Hello everybody, SA Apps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to synchronize your Instagram profile picture with Facebook. So let's start. First of all, update your Instagram app from your Play Store or App Store and then open it. After that, go to your profile and then click to the edit profile option. After that, click to the change profile picture, and here you can see lots of options there. First one is change profile picture, second is import new photo, new profile photo, and then click and then option is import from Facebook. When you click to the import from Facebook, your Facebook profile picture will be synchronized here. So that's the process how to import your Facebook profile picture to your Instagram profile picture. So that's all for today. I hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.